Welcome to a Starlight the Clown balloon tutorial.
Now I'll make a duck. Inflate a balloon until there's about 4 or 5 inches of tail left. Tie it. First we're going to want a little small balloon, bubble, followed by 3 same size bubbles. But here's a little trick for this one. We're going to put the first 2 together first. So it looks like we started with a rabbit or something, but we haven't. We started with a duck. We're going to need that 3rd bubble. We're going to push that 3rd bubble through the lock twist here. So now, if we stopped and deflated, we could actually have a turtle. No problem. See how it kind of looks like a turtle. But from here, for the duck, we're going to do something even better. We're going to make a loop. Twist it in. Starting to see that head take shape. Now we're going to want a little bubble for the neck. Alright. And for the body, we want 3 longer bubbles. Something like that. We want them all the same size, just like before. And we're going to lock twist the first 2, just like with the head. This is what's called a bird body. I'm going to push that 3rd bubble right through the lock twist, just like before. Now, if like me, you leave too much, loop it, wedge it, take that extra and tuck it in. Take that extra and tuck it in. Just like that, and then wedge that in there. And wedge that neck in there also. There we go. We got ourselves a duck. Quack.